Hi, in this video we'll be capturing some videos of some tourmaline pendants using the GemLightbox aerial. So over here I have a beautiful pink tourmaline pendant, and very simply I'll get my GemLightbox aerial necklace holder and I'll just wrap the chain around the necklace holder. Until I get the desired length that I want. Next, I'll place this inside the GemLightbox. And I'll make sure that my pendant is nicely centered. Next, our front reflector goes back on. And here we already have our smartphone application open. So I'll click into camera, video mode. And very simply, we zoom in, tap to focus, increase the brightness until we get a completely white background, and capture. Just like that, we've created our first 360 video. So let's save this into our gallery. Now we can also do a different angle and a different speed as well. So I've chosen 45 degrees at a slow speed. And again, let's click record. And as you can see, instead of doing a full 360 rotation, we are getting a 45-degree video. Just like that. Let's save this into our gallery.